on, Weld 2 family? We're here at Fabtech 2018. Let's go and check it out. It's our first time here, man. So come on, follow me. Let's do it.
I'm here at Fabtech. It's a great experience. I just met the brother from South Coast Welding Academy. It's a pleasure to be here, man. This brother is great. Keep watching him on YouTube. He keeps dropping knowledge, and you have a lot to learn from him. He knows what he's talking about, man. Take care.
We love watching Weld 2 videos. They're very informative, and we subscribe. I don't know.
Tell me first off, how'd you get involved in this? Brother, it was God-given. I don't know what it was. When I first started welding, right, it was at 17 years old. I do dip keyhole all day on stainless. I don't know why. I can backfeed. I backfeed with stainless, but I dip keyhole, dip keyhole, so I can get that little nice reinforcement as well. Yeah. I don't lay wire. But I don't know about you, Travis. I don't know about
Travis just grabs it and just holds the wire up here.
Just like this.
I said, oh, no big deal. No big deal.
He's just hanging up here and doesn't even get down there.
I'm just gonna go from bottom to top here while I'm whistling the song.
Here in Atlanta, my guest to my left is Helmar Aguilo. I pronounced it right. Yes, I did. First time. So, look, I mean, you are the host of Weld 2.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk a little bit about what Weld 2 is and what Weld 2 does for the audience that's here.
Okay, so we're Weld 2, okay? We have a YouTube channel. It's an educational welding channel.
MIG welding works the same way. You increase the wire feed speed, you increase amperage.
Yeah, exactly.
But you're also putting more weld wire in, so you have to go faster.
Over here, we're here in the Miller booth right now, man. This is awesome. It's like Candyland for welders, to be honest with you. So, I mean, it's our first time here in Atlanta, so this is crazy.
Hey Mark, thank you so much for coming out to our booth here at Fabtech 2018 in Atlanta.
And just wanted to really say thank you to you and the South Coast for all that you do for us and for education.
Guys, we're here at the Appleport Benzo booth. We got some great guns. This is what we use here for Southwest Welding Academy, home of Weld 2. Use these two guns right here, man. These are great guns, super great guns. Oh snap, that's me right there. Pick that up. What is that, guy? Guys, that's a wrap. Fabtech 2018, Atlanta, Georgia. It's been awesome seeing all the technology and everything like that. This is day 3. I had to head back home to Houston, get back to work, but this has been awesome. Such a blessing, guys. God bless.